In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paperform to create your very first form. Whether you're new to Paperform or looking to enhance your form building skills, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start from the dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your forms and resources within Paperform. Once you're there, you're ready to create a new form. Look for the option that says Create a Form and give it a click. This will open up the possibilities for you to begin crafting your form from scratch. Now you'll be presented with a couple of options. The most notable ones are to start from scratch or to choose from a template. For those of you who are beginners and eager to learn, starting from scratch is an excellent way to familiarize yourself with all the features and customizations Paperform has to offer. It provides a more hands-on experience and allows you to control every aspect of your form. Once you decide to start from scratch, it's time to start adding the content that will make up your form. This is where you can add questions or images that fit the purpose of your form. Think about the questions you need to ask and the information you wish to gather. Paperform provides an intuitive and flexible interface, making it easy for you to drag and drop elements as you see fit. When you're adding questions, consider the type and format that best suits your needs, whether they're multiple choice, text input, or toggles. Similarly, use images to enhance the visual appeal or provide necessary context for your respondents. As you build your form, take some time to explore the various question types and see which ones will work best for your objectives. Paperform's intuitive design makes testing out different options both straightforward and simple. You can also customize the text and visuals to better align with your brand or theme, making the overall experience more cohesive and professional. Remember, the key to a successful form is clarity and simplicity, both for you as the creator and for those filling it out. Make sure your questions are easy to understand and that your design is inviting. As you go through these steps, don't hesitate to preview your form to ensure everything looks as expected. And don't worry if you make any mistakes. Adjusting and refining your form is part of the creative process. This brings us to the end of our walkthrough. You've now created your first form with Paperform. With practice, you'll get even more comfortable and efficient in crafting forms that are both functional and visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy creating your forms and gathering the insights you need.